Hey lipstick babes, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing like a mini, makeup tutorial for beginners, because y'all know I'm not no makeup guru or whatever. I ordered the Masquerade palette from Juvia's place. Like, these colors are so fire and I want to like practice my makeup or whatever. So what better way to practice than on my channel, you feel me? So I don't really know what look I'm going for and all that, but we gonna play around with some stuff and see what we come up with, okay? Beginners makeup, y'all, beginners, because I don't be knowing, I just be throwing stuff on and at the end it be looking fire though. So we gonna see. Anywho, let's get into this makeup tutorial. I'm looking a little rough right now, y'all, because number one, I ain't got no glasses on, so I'm really trying to see. But anyway, bear with me. Let's get into this tutorial. Okay, babes, so we're going to start with my Wet n Wild face primer. Going to apply that all over my face. Then we're going to hit these eyebrows with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill eyebrow crayon. Y'all, I love this little eyebrow pencil because it makes life so much easier. Okay, it's the bomb. I actually need my eyebrows done, but that's neither here or there. Don't judge me. Judge yourself. Anyway, then I'm going to line my brows up with my LA Pro Concealer in the shade of Toffee. I'm going to hit it up under the brow and on top just to give it that, that whole look. You know what I mean. And I'm also going to apply this concealer to the top of my eyelids. And then we blend, and blend some more, y'all. Blend it all out, y'all. Blend it all out. Ooh la la, I'm so excited. Anyway, I'm going to apply this one as my base color for my lids. Okay, then I'm going to apply this one to the inner corner, the cut crease, and the outer corner of my eyelids. I'm going to apply this one to the middle of my lids. Give me that whole shimmer glitter look. You know, girls, we love our glitter, okay? But anyway, then I'm going to take this next color and add it to the end of my eyebrow at the bottom and the top of my eyebrow at the beginning of it. Give it that whole highlighter look right there. We lit. I'm going in with my eyeliner now. I can't remember which eyeliner this is because it's really old, but clearly I need a new one because it really messed me up. Like, it's not spreading like I wanted it to spread, and it made me mess up my little wing on my other side. I fucked that up. I did my bottom waterline with my gel eyeliner just to give it like a little bit of a darker look, because the liquid eyeliner doesn't get too dark to me, but I wanted my bottom to be dark, so I hit it with my gel liner. Okay, girls and boys. I went in again with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, hitting under my eyes, the chin, the nose, the forehead, you know, the basics. But in this time, I went with the color Fawn. Time to hit with the foundation. I'm using my NYX Total Control in the shade of Cappuccino foundation. I found it better to put my foundation on last because, you know, you get to cover up all those screw ups you did from the eyebrow, the, you know, mascara, all that. So I do everything and then I put on my foundation. It's way better that way than to put it on first and all that. To me, it's helping me out. You feel me? Anyway, but then you blend that all out, blend it all in, make it look good. And then I went in with my Rimmel London Wonder Lash mascara. I love this mascara. It makes my lashes feel like the bomb, y'all. It's the best. Add a little bronzer, a little contour, a little highlighter, all that good stuff. I just put it all on right here. Like, this ought to make me look some type of way. You hear me? So I added all of it. I didn't put on blush. I just did the highlighter, the bronzer, and a little contour. I put some glitter on my eyelashes and in the corner of my eyes just to give it that like, ooh, she's shining out here. Like I said, us girls, we love our glitter, so glitter me up. Okay, y'all, I'm finished, and this is my finished look. I think it came out okay. I think I did okay. I think I want to change the lipstick color, but it looks good to me. I'm always shocked at what I can actually do when I sit down and take my time. You feel me? All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I think I want to change the lipstick color because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's just throwing me off a little bit. But I think I did a good job. I am very pleased with the look. It's amazing what you can do when you sit and just take your time and practice your makeup. I started out not knowing how to do anything, and now look at me. I'm progressing, okay? I'm getting better. I'm coming, y'all. I'm almost a pro out here. I did kind of feel like I messed up my wing on this side, which I did. I did. I gotta do better on my wings, y'all. I still ain't got that down packed. Anywho, I am so in love with this already. I see a big difference between this and my other little palette I used to be using. These ones spread so easy. The colors are fabulous, okay? I'm in love, so I will be back with more because look at all these colors. Look at all these colors I have to play with. So, I'm coming. I'm getting better. I'm coming. I'm getting better. Oh, I really can't wait to use this one, y'all. This is so pretty to me. Anyway, I'm steadily rambling on. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, okay? If you love this video and want me to do more of them, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, share my videos, and that's all I really have for you guys today, okay? I'm about to go to this little Super Bowl party. So let me know how you feel about this look down below. You know I'm always open to suggestions, so if you have any tips, things I should do, I shouldn't do, go ahead and let me down. Go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, of course. And until next time, deuces, babes.
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god. That's my baby, Caroline, you divine, mighty fine. Shorty really know the price, like a pro.
Fuck you thought.
Holy shit, I'm really lit.